Welcome to my kitchen, and these are some of the ingredients we're using for today's barbecue. Starting with the minced beef, which is 5% in fat, is organic, absolutely perfect for our burgers. We're gonna be using a simple recipe: salt, pepper, garlic, and smoked paprika. Moving on, we have the chicken. I'm gonna be making vegetables and chicken skewers. Chicken breast, low in fat, low in calories, because that's what we want today. With the chicken, I have vegetables, I have peppers, different colored peppers, red onion, courgette, and aubergine. Although the aubergine I might cook it separate. This is not in season, but I absolutely love aubergine on the barbecue. It comes in season, I think, from next month, so don't worry, you're gonna get it full of flavor. What else we got here? I've got the halloumi cheese. Perfect on the barbecue. Is one of those cheeses that was made for grilling. Make sure you give this a try. If you never try halloumi, you're missing out. No matter if you're vegetarian or not, you need to try halloumi. As a side note, these skewers, make sure you soak them prior to skewering the chicken and the vegetables, so none of those tiny splinters get into the food. Now, that's enough with the talking. Let's get into preparing this barbecue, and after that, we're moving outside.